Hello Paul, this is Aaron from Voss Motors. I made this video especially for you of the 2016 BMW S1000RR. Currently has 19,791 kilometers on it. Current asking price is $15,888 plus HST and licensing. Here's the VIN for your insurance purposes. It is a 999 CST liquid cooled 4-cylinder sport bike category, super sport category. As you can see, the BMW is in great condition. Everything is stock on it except for the seat. It's a custom seat, almost foam memory, very comfortable. One previous owner, no previous accidents. Bike is in great condition. All of our bikes here at Voss Motors come fully certified and are very clean. This BMW is in great condition and is a very good sport category motorcycle. If you have any further questions, you can contact me at 905-660-2901. My extension is 213. You can always come into Voss Motors to take a closer look at this BMW. If you have any further questions, please contact me. I'd like to thank you for your time and I hope you have a great day.